poised on passion's words, lowly slave to fleshy earth, till a wild old man prescribed the purge. Are you finding love a strain? Do you wish to ease the pain? Flush desire down the drain. See the tide of passion wane. Oh yes, let the woman come and wane. Let them come and come again. You will treat them with disdain once you take this precious bane.
Beg your pardon?
Precious boon, if you'd make yourself immune, take a little sip and soon you'll hear the angels sing this tune. Rest in peace. You'll sink in sweet forgetfulness and rest in peace. You'll be freed of all despair. You'll heed no maiden's prayer. You'll see them plead and tear their hair and rest in peace.
Does it really work, this stuff?
Take but one sip, then will thou feel no pain.
Just one sip, I'll be a new man. See me standing proud and tall. Watch me as the women crawl. Hear me whistle at them all. I'll rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
I
Today has been so bloody busy.
No, but I deserve a little zest. No more cheerless loneliness. No more jeering, no duress. I'll rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Free of pain and fretfulness.
And rest in peace.
Free of pain and fretfulness.
Take this wondrous anodyne. Stir it in a glass of wine.
I'll go and...
No, the pleasure's mine. Columbina, a glass of wine.
Here it is.
Oh, white wine.
Oh. It's time to close my weary eyes.
And rest in peace.
And go to beddy bye.
Drink the brew and drink it deep. Then into your chamber creep. I promise you eternal sleep. You'll rest in peace.
Your health, senor. A little sprinkle of this. A little more. A little more. This for you. Oh, pretty color. That's better than wedding. That's better than wedding.
You'll rest in peace.
I'll rest in peace. I'm going back on the track to Jindiwara back. Cause Jindiwara back's the home for me. There's an old-fashioned shack back in Jindiwara back. That will take my poor bones back. I'm going back on the track to Jindiwara back. I'll rest in peace.
You'll rest in peace.
For today, I have seen my last Venetian signora. So long, girlie at the window. To the Ludo, Zina. Beatrice, see you later. Ta-ta, Columbina. I'll rest in peace. Don't cry for me, Alekino. I'm going back on the track to Jindiwara back.
You'll rest in peace. You'll sink in sweet forgetfulness and rest in peace.
Free of pain and fretfulness.
No more jeering, no loneliness.
No more jeering, no duress. No more fear, no distress.
You'll rest in peace.
Beatrice! Janino! My own!
My own.
Excuse me, senor, but I've no right to be here.
And why is that, pray?
You are dead, senor, or else there are two of you.
I'm certainly not dead, but perhaps...
But there are two of him.
Amazing. Who could believe it?
They don't.
Why don't we show them then?
All right. I'll show them. No, I can't. It's too shocking.
But it's extraordinary. Yes.
Too late. I found him too late.
Found whom?
My poor brother Zanetto.
Your brother?
Then who are you?
I am Tonino.
Tonino?
Tonino, my betrothed.
But he's my betrothed. He promised to marry me.
No, Senora. That must have been my poor brother Zanetto.
Zanetto, Tonino. What's in the name? We want her. She's yours.
Okay. You want me to marry?
My daughter. Yes.
Certainly. Where is she?
Right here.
This girl. She is not your daughter.
You big mouth!
Where is the locket?
The locket?
The locket with two portraits.
The locket with two portraits?
Yes.
Woman in red on one side?
Yes.
Man in green on the other?
Ah, yes.
Never heard of it.
There it is.
All right. Take it!
Can it be? Yes, it is. On one side my mother, on the other my father. I shall kiss them both.
Careful. You know where they've been.
And now, your explanation.
Well, Your Honor.
All right, all right. Picture, if you will. Verona, 1725. The great plague carried off a wife and a daughter of a poor young judge. His brother had left him 30,000 ducats to bring the child up. No child, no ducats. The money would pass to my nephew. I'd lose everything. Unless I found a daughter. A daughter! But where? A traveler knocked at my door. He found a baby on the high road. I did the deal! I got myself a daughter! But I know, not the kind of behavior you expect from the man of law. But I did it from a family! I gave little love in a home, an education, a future!
I was found in this locket. Then I'm your sister.
Yes. And I was drawn to you by a brother's love.
And you shall be my sister too.
But justice must be done, Your Honor.
I was afraid of that.
Where is this nephew of yours? Is he in Verona?
Yes, the young fool. His name is Lelio.
Lelio?
And here he comes now!
Back, all of you. This woman is mine.
Stop! Don't be so ridiculous!
Humiliated once again. I shall kill myself.
Oh, please!
Thank you.
Why kill yourself?
No woman will have me. I'm in despair.
There is a remedy. You can marry Rosina.
What?
The money is rightfully yours after all.
My boy! You'll make a splendid son-in-law.
15,000 ducats down. And double your money when...
When I go to my final case,
15,000 down. How about it, doll? Daddy?
of course, my dear. He can make you one of the family. Let's go in and drop the contract.
2 contracts.
Oh, 3 contracts.
Congratulations! Can you forgive me?
Ah, you are still my brother.
Oh, you are so generous, senor.
I know. At least, that's the way we do things in Venice. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, do step this way.
What do I see? Zanetto's still alive! Damn! Had he not drunk the bane he took on me? Bane? Your pardon, all. Good senor, please, one word. Tell me, hast thou drunk it yet?
Drunk it? No, I have not drunk it yet.
But thou was all confirmed in thy resolve.
What all confirmed resolve was that?
The powder that I gave thee, mixed with wine.
So it was you who murdered him?
Murdered him? I understand thee not.
You murdered my poor brother Zanetto.
Amend these slanders. I beseech you, sir.
But you did give him a powder and a glass of wine.
Oh, the glass is still clutching.
Oh, Senor Pancrazio asked for a glass of wine.
Here it is. And see, it's quite cloudy.
That's the very glass. Look. a honeymoon souvenir.
So you did poison him?
Such deeds would be beneath my rank and worth.
You swear so? On your honor?
My honor has never been so impugned.
I beg your pardon, senor. Then drink from this glass and prove your honor.
Drink from this glass.
For your honor's sake.
Honest sake.
Yes.
Give me the glass.
See, he's as honest as the judge.
Thanks a bunch. But see me drink, and then you'll know the truth. Fetch me no emetic, bring no antidote. Let my ending be prophetic. Let the watching world take note. The day of judgment is at hand, and let those who sin that have sinned observe. The voice of judgment rings throughout the land, saying, keep the righteous path and never swerve.
For the day of judgment is at hand.
Take me in public and watch me expire. I'm a sham and a fraud and a liar. I betrayed every trust with a heart full of lust and a mind full of thwarted desire.
For the day of judgment is at hand.
Kindle the torches and build up the pyre. Show me no mercy, my deeds have been dire. For the joy of the just, let my body combust, and my ashes be trod in the mire.
For the day of judgment is at hand. And into that judgment seat, clap your hands and stamp your feet. Sing your sinners by the river. Shake and shiver, quick and quiver. Yeah, Lordy, yeah, hallelujah. Clap your hands and stamp that drum. For the day of judgment come. Grab the boat and cross the river. If you don't, you're lost forever. Yeah, Lordy, yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
And he had such an honest face.
I would have trusted him with my life.
My poor brother did just that. And now he is dead. But, grieved though I am, I still have the consolation of my Beatrice.
Chinino!
Alakino.
Colombina!
Rosino. Daddy.
Lelio!
Lelio.
And when we are married, the first thing I shall do is...
Yes?
To search high and low for the brigands who murdered my mother. At least, that's the way we do things in weddings. Thank you very much. I have lost a brother, but have found a sister, and a wife, and solved our confusions. The confusion of the Venetians...
Prince, Prince, peace in our board. Double your blessings upon us from God. Each had a dimple, each had a mold. Two carbon copies, two halves of a whole.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast. The judge, Raghav Tibrewal. Rosina, his daughter, Aryan Yashpal. Colombina, her maid, Angakrish Gujral. Zanetto, suitor to Rosina for Bergamo, Webb of Singh. Pancreazzo, friend to the judge, Minal Kiran Mathur. Beatrice, a Venetian lady betrothed to Tonino, Siddharth Shaw. Florendo or Veronese friend to Tonino, Kushagra Agarwal. Lelio, the judge's nephew, Jaden Sangma. Tonino, a Venetian gentleman, identical twin to Zanetto, Tuhin Basu. Alekino, servant to Zanetto, Mridul Goda. Policeman, Tapish Datlani. Jeweler, Pradyuman Kumar. Fanfare troupe, Vishal Gupta, Arman Jasim, Angad Singh. Prompters, Vikram Sachdeva, Sankalp Khanna. The choir, Rochak Sopti, Justin B. George, Mahipat Singh Gaur, Himani, Aditya Pratap Singh Deoda, Arjit Jaidka, Himang Sharma, Suryaveer Singh Rathore, Raghav Sihag, Mridul Daga, Mohammad Humayun Abdullah, Pranay Bansal, Adit Badada, Fateh Singh Bullard, Aditya Vikram Singh Rathore, Madhav Ladda, Yadvinder Singh, Govind Rakesh Grover, Mohit Dharni Dharka, Mohammad Zaid Khan, Utkarsh Dubey, Hartesh Singh Hada, Dilip Gurjar, Shaurya Ladda, Harshvardhan Dhaka, Siddharth Jagdish Tandya, Tej Simar Singh Bhatia. The crew, Lights and Sound, Mr. Achaldeep Dubey, Mr. Manish Kedawat, Mahin Chaudhary, Shravan Gupta, Purushottam ji, Rakesh ji, Salam ji, Pilot ji. Music, Mr. Anurag Vinayak, Anubhav Mahadev. IT support, Mr. S. Sriram. Costume, Dr. Mrs. Roma Pradhan, Ms. Shakti Buddhi Raja, Ms. Deborah Everett, Ms. Garima Sethi, Suraj Rao, Amog Rahometra, Jay Makhija, Ansh Goyal, Kanishk Rahilan, Parth Sharma, Lomsak Wanchuk, Soham Agarwal, Rajveer Singh Baga, Pranjal Agarwal, Ishan P. Singh, Dushyant Singh. Makeup, Mr. Ravi Banka. Stage management, Mr. Achaldeep Dubey, Mr. Girish Kumar, Mr. Kuntal Majumdar, Dr. Shirish Chandra Mishra, Abhinav Sharma, Siddhant Datta, Nikhil Khatri, Dipankar Singh Rao. Set execution, Mr. Tarun Chaudhary. Design, direction and production, Mr. Sanjay Khati, Head of English and Director of Cultural Activities. Acknowledgement, Director cum Principal and Staff, Mayo College Girls School, Ajmer, Rashtriya Military School, Ajmer, 340 1st Mechanized Brigade. May I now request His Highness Maharao Brijraj Singh Ji of Kota to give away the Maharao of Kota Medal for outstanding performance in dramatics to Tuhin Basu. May I request the Principal and College Vice Captain to escort him.
Basu.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the end, introduction to the play, Pratik Shankar and I, Praneeth Khandal. May I now request our chief guest, Mr. Arun Lal, to kindly come up on the stage, meet the cast and the crew, and also say a few words, sir.
May I request the staff who all helped to kindly come up on the stage and join the boys.
Absolutely superb. Thank you so much. Really, I think all of us have really enjoyed it. Let's have hands together one more time, please. Magnificent. Actually, Mayo has come a long way. Yeah. I've never seen a play like this in our time. I'm sure a lot of old boys are here and they'll concur. But this was magnificent. It was professionally done. And I can't thank you enough. Really well done. Thank you. It's a great production. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, we come to an end of the show. Thank you and good night.